pros. I just saw and heard testing a bike today. Greased a little from a friend for a friend. These are very big birds and noisy. So this is about maybe 500 meters from my house. Actually less, because I went a little bit further away and then to the right. Really nice area. So tomorrow I'm going on a bike trip. By train first to Stri from Kremenchuk, and then a 100-kilometer trip to Ivano-Frankivsk and a bit down south towards the parents of a friend. Then maybe immediately or a few days later go to, what's it called? I forgot the name, but there's an event place there. Someone's taking care of it. I met that guy some months ago in the cafe of a friend, and he invited me then, yeah, come have a look. He's taking care of the place and the cats there, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see. It should be a very nice nature area. I will make some videos probably and upload them. What I will also do is upload some videos about, maybe I'll make or remake them on the trip, about, for example, what I like in Ukraine or what I don't like, in the sense of it's more what I miss from the Netherlands, the things that are difficult to get here, for example. In tools, it can be some foods that I like and you can't really find it. Things like that. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.